Just because your efforts didn't pay off this time, it doesn't mean that next time you're going to be disappointed again. Let's not lose hope. Let's not be discouraged. Instead, let's aim to do it better next time. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Remember, the greatest successes often come from learning from our failures. No matter how tough your situation is, don't forget your humanity. In difficult times, it's easy to become frustrated and take it out on others. But kindness is a powerful tool. Don't be mean to anyone, be clear with your thoughts, and always strive to think positively. Compassion and understanding can turn a bad day around, not just for you, but for someone else as well. Choose your priorities and eliminate distractions. It's easy to get caught up in the noise of everyday life. Focus on what truly matters to you. Identify your goals and work towards them diligently. Break your negative habits. Whether it's procrastination, self-doubt, or any other unproductive behavior, take small steps to replace them with positive actions. Surrender to success. You are ready to experience abundance. Don't look back at previous roadblocks or difficulties. Leap into an exciting new world of possibilities. It's important to have a forward-thinking mindset. Forget about the results and just keep going. Success isn't a destination, it's a journey. Enjoy the ride. Don't get frustrated when things don't go the way you want them to. Be calm. You will make it. Patience is key. Sometimes the road to success is longer and more winding than we anticipated. No matter how far we have fallen, we must try again. All is not lost until we give up. Perseverance is the hallmark of all great achievers. Just enjoying the process makes you a winner. Be yourself and achieve for your highest soul's purpose. It's all in your hands, to win or lose. What do you choose? Don't settle for ordinary. Be the special you. Every step you take towards your goals, every effort you put in is a part of your unique journey. Celebrate it. Live the life you've always dreamt of living. It's you who's going to live the dream life. Start loving yourself unconditionally. Living your life to the fullest should be your main goal. Embrace every moment, cherish every experience, and always strive for personal growth. Your dream life is within reach if you believe in yourself and work towards it every day. You can live the life that everyone dreams of. Get rid of all insecurities. To live your dream life, start pretending that you are already living it. Be the energy you want to attract. When you act with confidence and self-assurance, you attract positivity and opportunities. Don't let insecurities hold you back from achieving your true potential. Little bad habits can ruin you. Don't let them. Recognize them, address them, and work towards overcoming them. It's a process, and it's okay to stumble along the way. Forgive yourself for past mistakes and be the new you. Personal growth is about continuous improvement and self-compassion. Let go of the past and embrace the present with open arms. Thank you for watching. If these words resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe for more insights from Wisdom Scribbles. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Keep moving forward, embrace every moment, and never stop believing in yourself. Until next time, keep growing and keep shining.